students, welcome to Phonics Academia online class grade 4. We have to do exercise 1B of the chapter of whole number and its operation. So all the students open your book page number 13, in which we have to do question number 6 and 7. So also pick your pencil. Let's start today lecture. Question number 6, subtract the following. We have been given question number A, C and D. That we do in a class work, and question number B is your homework. And also to be a question number 7, in which we have to do question number A. So the question number A of the question number 6, 74,638 subtract 9,424. So students, you now read what is mean by subtraction. Subtraction means minus this value. The sign of operator of minus this sign. This sign is mean by minus. Okay. This sign mean minus. Subtract. Do subtraction. Subtraction mean values to be a subtract. Means minus karna. So the value you know that we have do in a math. When you solve your question, you start from your right side. So let's start. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So the next one is a 4 minus 9. You know that when you have subtraction, small values not be subtract large amount, big amount. So you take carry from your left number. So the left number is 7. 7 give carry 4. 4 make a 14. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. Then 7 give a 1 carry. So it means that it's left a 6. So the 6 have no any below values, means that 6 has been written as. So to be remember that you write from your left side, right side, and if you have large value to be given in below and small amount to be upper or below, if obeys means that you have not be subtract, do subtract. In this condition you have be carry, take carry from your right number, then if you give a carry, it means that the values make a tens. So for example, it's a 3, 1 is to be a given, 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Let's make a 13. Okay, question number C. Start from your right side. The operator is a subtraction. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Next is 2 minus 9. You know that it's not be possible when you have this condition. It means that you have take carry from your next term. But if this is a term is a 0. So it's take carry from 5. When 0 it's take carry from 5. It's make a tens, and tens give a carry to a 1. Firstly, we take the carry from your right number. Right first number. The first number is to be a 0. So we are not be take carry from your two values. Firstly, 5 carry give carry to 0. Then 0 carry to a 2. So when 5 give carry to 0, it's make a 10. And then 10 give a carry to a 12. It's left a 9. So 2 plus have a carry, it's make a 12. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. The left in value is a 9. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. And its left amount is 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Next is 76,204. Subtract 50,956. 4 minus 6 is to be a possible? No. We have take carry. Next term is a 0. It means that 0 take carry from 2. And then 0 give a carry to 4. When the 2 give carry 0, it's make a 10. And 10 give a carry to 4, it's left a 9. So 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. 9 minus 4 is equal to 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. It's left a 1. 1 minus 9 is possible? No. We take a carry from your right value. 6 give carry to 1. It's make a 11. 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. So 6 left a 5 because that is give a carry to 1. So it's a 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So students, we have to do question number 7, in are given in a row form, it means that the values to be are given into a horizontal way. If this form is called a horizontal way, and they say that write the vertically. Write this vertically. When the value is write